I was looking up at God when I recognized a blessing in the sky for me. I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. And I finally got a squad that'll ride for me. I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. Got a girl, she'll fuck around and die for me. I'ma celebrate her like I'm Cam Newton. Do my dab, I'm gonna hit it like I'm Cam Newton. Yeah, say it took a little while, but I realized that I'm always kinda bitter when somebody tryna ask me up. Question like, hey yo, what's good with your music, bro? I get embarrassed and I pass it up. See, I got a couple people tryna gas me up now, but still, man, this shit ain't moving fast enough. I had to ask myself, I'm 26 now, with a reason to doubt. Should I pack it up? Nah, Gene Jr., yeah. Don't lose yourself, tryna choose yourself. A little room for improvement is good for self. To figure out what you doing it for. See, I'm tryna open eyes to the truth, nigga. Grab hold, cause you always giving in to gravity. Lying, man, this shit get deep, let it steep. You ain't never who you tryna. I was looking at that guy when I recognize a blessing in the sky for me. I'ma celebrate it like I'm Cam Newton. Say I finally got a squad that'll ride for me. I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. Yeah, got a girl, she'll fuck around and die for me. I'ma celebrate her like I'm Cam Newton. Do my dab, I'm gonna hit it like I'm Cam Newton. One time, I'm gonna live it like I'm Cam Newton. One time, I'ma celebrate it like I'm Cam Newton. Yeah, say I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. Do my dab on it, I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. Do my dab, I'm gonna hit it like I'm Cam Newton. One time, ain't it ironic that I really gotta let go in order to grab hold of the shit I love most, the path that I chose to take. Put out my blunt and from the ash I charge a fee, nicks and dimes a straight ass. I say, hell nah, we can tell by the smell, nigga. Keep your composure, use the shit at your disposal with this garbage. Play the card you was dealt, cause at one point we all had a Brandon LaFell look. Every time leave it all on the field, break bread, make braille, this a song you can feel. Look, out of touch, I don't know how to feel, cause it's like y'all said, y'all shit so ill. Real nigga for real, celebrate whenever I touch down, like, so let the fans and the kids know. They don't wanna see me dance, keep my ass at the end zone. When I recognize a blessing in the sky for me, I'ma celebrate it like I'm Cam Newton. Say I finally got a squad that'll ride for me, I'ma celebrate him like I'm Cam Newton. Yeah, got a girl, she'll fuck around and die for me, I'ma celebrate her like I'm Cam Newton. Do my dab, I'm gonna hit it like I'm bring platinum back. Fucking kill these niggas. 5, 4. Hold up. Remember what they feel like after all the chasing, is it turning into real life? Yeah. Come a certain point in your life, you get tired of these motherfucking dread. If you disappointed in your memories, Hennessy, I take that over ice just to help me cope. Figured out a couple homies had some negative energy. Our friendship just couldn't stay afloat. Dreams looking so far away, and I ain't earned a penny. Guess I'm learning the harder way. I do this for my city, never follow. All you rappers is hollow. I've been rapping like way before Didi became a motto. Shit, dreams of me living on Reed and Butler. My biological was actually my mother. It was me and Mikey and Monet playing I Spy. Heard a shot fly, we was chicken like some pot pies. Pop, pop, that boy dropped. I heard he took 11 shots in his new Concords. My mama told me go inside, think he died on the porch. I had no choice, I'm not too sure, hey, no. Dreams, a recording with Mike Shinoda, ducking the IRS and me, and first we got him quarters. I got all these motherfucking dreams. Say I got all these motherfucking dreams. I can't remember what they feel like after all the chasing, is it turning into real life? Dreams, if your soul ain't yourself, when I think of Dr. Martin Luther's dreams, tell me, did they come true? Wish he could've saw into the future. Now my people don't know what they gon' do after what I read. I swear Mike Brown got me blue. Yo, well I admit I'm disappointed in the way that we responded to these kids dying for the police. I'm from the places where we kill our own species. I never see the people riot. Dreams gotta have soul, my nigga. But if you play the victim, you toast. They telling me
anything in front of a mirror, a window is good.
Better know I ain't coming down a bit. We the sheep, they the savages. I went to sleep and I lost count of them. Currently they be counterfeit. I ain't a part of the herd, you heard this public. Announcing my service, I got a couple dreams. A recording with Mike Shinoda, ducking the IRS and meeting first week album quarters. Hold up, dreams, I had all these motherfucking dreams. Said I had all these motherfucking dreams. I can't remember what they feel like after all the chasing, is it turning into real life? Dreams, if your soul ain't come and serve yourself, your life, they look tired of these motherfuckers. Peep, I'm about to go hella deep, forgot what I wanna say. Feeling off cause some awful officers apt to annihilate all of their efforts, they go to keeping us down on the ground. I wish I could fly away, even if when I landed I'm only a mile away. I'll keep on running in search of finding a brighter days. Killing our ebby base, murder our embryos. Kill us with hurricanes, nigga, this how it really go. They don't hear me though. I down the system with some sugar, yes I diabeat them. I'm with the shits, I spit that fluid, this that diarrhea. Our forefathers is some fucking deadbeats, so I'm a deadbeats and teach them how to find a way to fucking feed us. Got us talking shit, we never living. Fuck a phony entourage, you ain't never J Piven. That Thanksgiving, Gemini living. Smoke a Mayflower, couple pills for a grim age, nigga.